This exhibition traces a history of environments, which are self-contained spaces developed by artists that were later described as installations, but they're different in that they're more enclosed. So they're literally a series of rooms that incorporate light, sound, other materials and elements.
Spectral Passage by Lithuanian-American artist Alexandra Kasuba consists of a tunnel formed by a series of interconnecting nylon structures, for which we are meant to move. Each space corresponds to a distinct hue of the rainbow, symbolizing a journey through the life circle, from birth to death and rebirth.
Like meaning, obviously the rainbow is a symbol of new life, a symbol of hope, but it's also got this kind of arc. So it's really a sense of going from one side to the other. And at the time, a lot of artists in America were very interested in Asian philosophies, the cycle of life and death, and responding to the society of the time. And then each room also has a different soundtrack. So it's based on the Symphony of the Planets by Gustav Holst, and each room is a different planet. So you're literally moving through the universe as well as moving through the rainbow.
And another American artist, Judy Chicago, trying to soften or feminize the world. Her work feather room filled with 300 pounds of cruelty-free feathers, serving as a counterpoint to the traditional sculpture and architectural works.
The walls are all curved with this very diffuse light, so it's almost like you're floating in the space, and then it's filled with feathers, constantly transforming. It's like walking through a cloud. So it's really pushing against all those expectations that architecture or sculpture should be solid, permanent, hard, and geometric.
One of the 3 new commissions by M+ Museum, The House is Crumbling, by Thai artist Pinari Sampatak, is an ever-changing environment composed of thousands of Thai heat pillows with straps.
So people can sort of, pick up, move around, tie together the pillows, and constantly change and recreate the environment. They can sit down, and just hang out. But each time you come back to this room, it'll be different. So she's really interested in this idea that everyone can make a change to their life, even through the small gestures. So we'll be photographing the work at different points during the exhibition and really capturing the creativity of the audience. And some fantastic, people have created a kind of wall here, created bridges, little cubby holes. It's really exciting to see just how people use their imagination in this work.
When you step out of the last space, you may realize that art is not merely works hanging on the wall. It is more a path you've walked and a texture you've touched. This precisely is the unique experience that this exhibition in rooms seeks to offer us.